Welcome to Fashion Dragonfly channel. The style of any woman is not only a reflection of fashion trends, but also a presentation of a woman as a person and a person of a certain kind of activity. Also, it should not only be original, relevant, and spectacular, but also correspond to her age. No matter how much we want to preserve our youth, the years go by, and we do not always manage to look the way we want. Nevertheless, it is possible to look dignified, stylish and interesting at any age, and for this it is not necessary to choose trends and styles that are not characteristic of a particular age. The main thing to remember is that each person has his own advantages, and images for older women also have their own zest, special chic and color. Summer is a special time when you want to look fresh, beautiful and comfortable with a minimum of clothes. Today we will talk about what to wear to women at an elegant age and look stunning at the same time. Happy viewing! A white shirt is a must-have at any age. This shirt will make the image fresh, relevant and stylish. With one white shirt, you can create hundreds of looks, and in different styles. It fits easily into office outfits, casual looks, and sport chic looks. Choose shirts with a straight cut, slightly loose. Fitted options are not relevant. You can combine the shirt with jeans, trendy trousers, skirts and even shorts. Tuck in a shirt, wear it to a graduation or tie at the waist. There are a lot of options, choose the one that suits you. This summer, models in pastel colors and prints are also relevant. Pants play an important role in a woman's wardrobe. With them, you can collect summer looks for work, for informal meetings and walks around the city. Stylish trousers will make a woman feel especially comfortable, while the image will be refreshing and attract attention. White straight-cut cropped trousers made of high-quality and natural fabric are a win-win option that can be harmoniously combined in one composition with trendy blouses and low-heeled shoes or sneakers. Stylists advise ladies of elegant age to wear classic trousers in a minimalist design with basic light oversized blouses. Pants in neutral pastel shades with a high waist harmoniously look in one tandem with striped shirts, as well as plain oversized t-shirts. Slingbacks, as well as laconic sandals with subtle details, are suitable as shoes for each of these images. Stylish and self-confident women can create a light weekend outfit with the help of checkered actual trousers, a light knitted jumper or a basic shirt. The wardrobe of almost all women includes jeans. Classic blue jeans look great on older ladies. You can also turn your attention to colored jeans that are fashionable this season. They make great tandems with sandals. Sandals or sneakers. No woman can do without a skirt. And even after 55 years, you should not give up stylish images with skirts. When choosing, you should take into account the features of the figure, then your image will be stylish and harmonious. The main rule of the skirt should not be short. This does not mean that you need to wear only maxi, but the best length is knee length or slightly lower. You must have a pencil skirt in your wardrobe. With it, you can create many original images. The pleated skirt is also in fashion. A successful style for women of elegant age, a silhouette. Now in vogue is the contrast of shades, which will make your appearance more spectacular. You can give preference to models of skirts with trendy prints, they will add brightness and lightness to the image. A beautiful image can be created using a regular maxi skirt plus t-shirt. It is enough to stylishly tuck a t-shirt into a skirt, put on a belt if it is relevant, and add some stylish chips, glasses, a cool bag, makeup. Summer look for every day is ready. To create an elegant look, beautiful midi or maxi length dresses will help. For summer, it is better to choose dresses of a free cut, bright or pastel shade. A shirt dress is an ideal model for mature ladies. It hides figure flaws, allows the body to breathe and does not hinder movement. And don't forget the accessories. Wrap midi length dresses are also a great option for a stylish summer look. Trouser suits can be called a must-have. And such a fashionable wardrobe item will wonderfully fit into the image of a woman of any age. Choose models of loose silhouettes, where the trousers boast a high waist. And also give preference to light colors that will make your look younger and richer. Trouser suits of bright colors are the hit of the season. Completed with a light colored t-shirt, a beautiful bag and fashionable accessories. Shoes for a suit should be chosen solely according to mood. In summer, elegant sandals are suitable. For a wide model of trousers, it is better just pick up neat boots. You can also play a little with contrasts and choose comfortable sneakers for a stylish suit. T-shirts for older ladies are better to choose plain. Black, beige and white are incredibly versatile. But do not forget that after 50, baring your shoulders is not the best solution, so choose a stylish top under the t-shirt. A denim jacket is one of the incredibly popular wardrobe items of our time. Women of completely different ages and configurations turn to it. And all thanks to the fact that this wardrobe item is incredibly versatile. It allows you to create images of absolutely any orientation and looks great at any time of the year. A denim jacket is the perfect top for chilly summer evenings. Older women can successfully use it paired with dresses, skirts, trousers and even sports bottoms. Fashionable jackets in each of the clothing styles are a great opportunity to complete the look in the best way, giving sophistication and a touch of elegance. It is difficult to imagine the wardrobe of a modern woman without a basic jacket. Regular fit or oversized, plain or printed, with or without pockets. Don't have a stylish jacket in your wardrobe yet? It's time to buy it. Opt for blues, pinks, reds and pastels this season to freshen up your outfit and make it more modern. A woman strives to look attractive at any age. Properly selected clothes will not only emphasize the dignity and hide the existing figure flaws, but also noticeably rejuvenate the image. We hope that our selection was useful to you. The best gratitude from you is to like, share the video with friends and acquaintances and leave a comment. By doing this, you help us develop our channel, and in return we make quality content for you. Thanks in advance and see you in the next video.